A student produced this for UND's TV show, Studio One.
Ethan and his dad, Mike, both share a common interest, an interest they describe as calming.
Well, it's kind of like golf. I guess I see it as a relaxing thing to do. It's kind of nice to be able to get out and do something.
Crime becomes the main dispute when it comes to gun control. But in a recent Gallup poll, less than 50% of Americans now support stricter gun laws.
There's lots of people who participate in lots of competitive shooting events. And so I think we have a realization that firearms can be used for lots of things that, are completely unrelated to crime.
Gun safety is a main target of concern, and the Rifle Club works hard to promote this type of awareness. They teach young shooters right away how to properly handle a firearm.
You never want to point a firearm in any location in which you're not willing to destroy what it's pointing at.
Public shootings are often highlighted on the news, but Kevin says that the individual holding the gun is the one in charge.
Evil people can do bad things with them, but the firearm itself is not inherently an evil device.
Many people, just like Mike, take advantage of the Second Amendment and the right to bear arms.
I have .45 caliber and 9mm and 22s for this range, and revolvers, rifles, shotguns.
Mike's aim is to get better at this sport. And just like any sport, the more you practice, the better you get.
Always kind of stunk at shooting a pistol, so the only way to get better is to just face it and try to improve your skills.
The U.S. is now at a near-record high of voters who support handgun ownership. And as the debate continues, the only surefire thing is the conversation about gun use will carry on. Reporting for Studio One, I'm Brady Kappas.